Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to get and add My AI on Snapchat. Follow these easy steps to easily add My AI chat on your Snapchat account. And right now I'm on my Android phone. You can follow these same steps on your iPhone also. So first of all, we have to update our Snapchat app. So go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Snapchat. Here, if you see any update available, so all you have to need update your Snapchat app. Now go ahead and launch the Snapchat app on your mobile. And now tap on Chat to open Chat panel. And here you should see My AI, or you can use this search icon to search for My AI. Now all you have to need open My AI, and you can read this little article. Just tap on OK, and that's it. You are now in your My AI chat or conversation. Here you can easily start any question. You can chat here with your AI. You can ask for any question and your My AI will answer you, and the answer will be accurate. So this is how we can add My AI on Snapchat.